Hello students, today we shall discuss the topic market segmentation from Unit 3, Paper Code 109, Introduction to Marketing, Semester 2, BBA. Before going into the topic deeply, let me share with you a very classic example of market segmentation. This example will help you to understand the concept of market segmentation and how it was introduced for the Indian market. Also, it will help to understand the need for market segmentation. Now students, all of you must have heard the name of the company Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever, that is HUL, was previously known as Hindustan Lever Limited, that is HLL. So Hindustan Lever Limited, 1980s, 70s, 80s, during that period, it was a giant and it was the undisputed market leader in consumer non-durable products. Okay. It had, now this company had a product or a brand in washing powder or detergent segment by the name of Surf. So which is still there. Initially it was just known as Surf. So Surf jo hai, that was launched in 1959 and it was characterized by its bright blue color and a very attractive colorful packaging in a very bright colorful carton. So Surf was the only washing machine powder which was offered in the detergent segment, and irrespective of whether you are a lower middle class or a middle class or you belong to a higher income group, everybody had to buy or used to buy Surf only because there was no option. Now by the end of 1970s and the beginning of 1980s, there was another company which came up with another washing powder detergent named Nirma. Okay, now this Nirma started gaining popularity, and by 1982 it became the national brand. Why? Because of two reasons. एक तो था कि by that time color televisions had already started coming up and people started buying color television. दूसरा ये था कि color television के कारण दूसरा ये था कि the televisions not only telecasted news and serials, but it also had advertisements in between the serials. So with the help of these advertisements, Nirma also launched itself through the advertisement and it became popular in no time. So Nirma soon became the fancy of all the income group categories because of two reasons. One is that it was positioned at a much lower price as that of Surf. मतलब Surf से उसका price बहुत ही कम था. दूसरा था because of its color. It was yellow in color whereas Surf was blue in color. Now this had an impact on all the three income groups. Nirma ने जब अपने आप को launch किया at a very lower price, तो obviously the lower income and the middle lower middle class and the middle class जो है, they could afford Nirma. So they starting buying Nirma rather than buying Surf. They started buying Nirma. Okay. Similarly, what happened is जो higher income pattern के जो लोग थे, they also started buying Nirma because they could wash their inexpensive or the daily wear, अपना everyday का जो dress था वो उस कम priced powder से, कम नाम वाले powder से they could wash their clothes. So therefore Nirma had captured all the categories of the income segment के सारे categories को उन्होंने capture करके रखा हुआ था. Then what happened that this was the biggest challenge for HUL because Surf जो है Nirma जो है, that was gaining popularity. So as a result, initially HLL launched various sales promotion campaigns, okay, in response to the पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ निरमा. HLL ने बहुत सारे अपने स्ट्रैटेजीज इस्तेमाल किए. जैसे पहले उन्होंने क्या किया कि ये ऑफर दिया कस्टमर्स को कि 1 kg सर्फ के पैकेट के साथ आपको एक बड़ा सा बकेट मिलेगा एट अ सब्सिडाइज रेट. देन इट केम अप विद अदर ऑफर्स की सर्फ के एक पैकेट के साथ आपको एक प्रीमियम टॉयलेट सोप मिलेगा विद एवरी kg ऑफ द सर्फ. इससे भी बात नहीं बनी. देन व्हाट डिड दे डू इज दे स्टार्टेड advertising, they made a advertisement where they compared the blue colored Surf with a low priced yellow colored detergent powder. They didn't specify the name, but they actually indicated Nirma, and उन्होंने compare किया कि अगर से 10 एक bucket clothes wash करने के लिए अगर निर्मा का 2 चम्मच लगता है तो सर्फ का सिर्फ 1 चम्मच से हो जाता है. सो इवन इफ सर्फ का प्राइस ज़्यादा है बट इट इज़ मच मोर इकोनॉमिकल बिकॉज वो कम क्वांटिटी में लगता है. But unfortunately, in spite of all these commercials or strategies, they could not capture the market again, and Nirma still continued to rule the market in the detergent segment. So what happened is that HLL definitely had to seriously think that he decided to take a fresh look at the market कि what is happening, what is wrong, what is going wrong with us, that कि Surf कुछ साल पहले it was the most popular leading detergent powder brand. अभी Nirma has taken over and has captured the market share. So what is the problem? तो उन्होंने क्या किया, एक research conduct किया. ठीक है. So research was conducted throughout the country and that revealed that different income groups of consumers had varied expectation from the detergent or the washing powder. मतलब उन्होंने जब ऑल इंडिया लेवल एक सर्वे लॉन्च किया उसमें देखा गया कि डिफरेंट इनकम ग्रुप के लोगों का डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन है फ्रॉम द डिटर्जेंट पाउडर. ठीक है. इट शोड दैट डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ वॉशिंग पाउडर और डिटर्जेंट पाउडर वे एसोसिएटेड विद डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फैब्रिक. तो उन्होंने देखा कि डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फैब्रिक्स के लिए लोग डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ वॉशिंग पाउडर यूज कर रहे हैं. जैसे अपने एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स के लिए वो ब्लू कलर का पाउडर यूज कर रहे हैं और अपने इनएक्सपेंसिव और डेली वेयर क्लोथ्स को वॉश करने के लिए दे आर यूजिंग द येलो कलर डिटर्जेंट पाउडर. ठीक है. Apart from that, it was also seen that white color clothes may people used to put blue to make it appear more bright. So the middle class families, they started using blue colored Rin bar or the white colored Lux flakes for washing their expensive clothes. So research further indicate किया कि जो blue और जो white color जो detergent powder है वो है generally they were bought by the middle class and the higher income groups. ठीक है. So and these colors were also associated with the washing of the clothes, cleanly washing the clothes. So then what happened is HLL also, on the basis of all these studies which were revealed from the survey, HLL ने क्या किया, एक अपना पैरेलल टू सर्फ उसने एक और ब्रांड लॉन्च किया which was by the name of Sunlight. Now this Sunlight brand was yellow in color, similar to that of Nirma, and second feature was that it was much इसका प्राइस जो था वो काफी कम था as compared to that of Surf. So this brand Sunlight was launched to give a stiff competition with Nirma and to capture that category of people who were initially buying Nirma. Okay, so and apart from that they also introduced Wheel, which was green in color, Rin, which was blue in color, and Surf Ultra, which was white in color, because it was seen from the study कि people color of the detergent से जो है वो अपना decide करते हैं कि वो कौन सा clothes धोएंगे. If it is an expensive cloth, they would go for blue or they would go for white color soaps or detergents. Okay, and if it was inexpensive, they use yellow colors detergents. So all these things जो है, it actually helped in the beginning of a new era of low price product. Okay, and to take a fresh look on the into the market. So इस पूरे एक्सरसाइज से दो चीज हुआ. एक तो हुआ, it was the first time when marketers felt that we need to introduce low price products also, which would cater to the needs of the lower middle class or the middle class category, income category group का. Fine. And second thing that happened was it ended the era of mass marketing, जहाँ पे manufacturers एक product बनाते थे and that was for everybody. No, instead of that, this exercise helped not only HLL but also other companies like say Titan and other companies. उन्होंने भी अपना marketing जो strategy है उसको बदला and उन्होंने भी ये देखा कि अगर हम different categories of products बनाते हैं, different categories in the sense different the differentiation will be on the basis of the price and the features. ज़्यादा प्राइस का जो प्रोडक्ट हम बनाएंगे उसका फीचर्स ज़्यादा होगा, ऑब्वियसली उसका प्राइस भी ज़्यादा होगा और वो होगा एक दैट विल कैटर टू द नीड्स ऑफ अ हायर क्लास. और अगर हम सेम प्रोडक्ट लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा सा कम फीचर्स डालेंगे एंड उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, उसका प्राइस कम कर देंगे, दिस विल केटर टू द मिडिल एंड द लोअर मिडिल इनकम ग्रुप्स. सो दैट इज हाउ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन केम इनटू एक्सिस्टेंस. सो basically the latter halves of the 1980s, मतलब 1980s का end and the beginning of 1990s taught a very important lessons to the marketers. वो ये कि one cannot be everything to everyone, but one can be everything to a select few. मतलब माइकल पॉटर ने ये कंसेप्ट डेवलप किया जहाँ पे he said that instead of focusing to the needs of all the people, let us focus to all the needs of a few people so that we can meet the needs of that particular segment rather than focusing into mass market. In my next videos, I hope that students have understood, have got an idea about what market segmentation is. In the next video, I shall deal with the concept and the need of market segmentation in details. Thank you.